If the function is written in the form y equals a x to the power x minus h squared plus k, what is the value of a? So we're looking for the number in front of x squared. Okay, so let's take a look at the problem. So over here they're giving you the equation. This one is called the vertex form, okay, which means from the graph we're going to get the vertex, and it's going to help us solve the problem. So the vertex right here I can write as at 2, 4. I'm going to label the vertex in here. The vertex form, the letter for vertex is h and k. So in here in the equation, h have the negative, the subtraction sign right here. Therefore, in the equation, it's going to be the opposite, which x minus 2. We only change h, okay? We do not change anything on the k. So let's go ahead and plug them in. Y equals a, I still don't know a. X minus 2, since we already changed them right here, to the power of 2 plus k is 4. So that's my new equation. Okay. Also, I'm going to look at this equation right here. The graph right here is have opens down, right? Have look like a sad face. So our equation is going to have the mean negative. A is going to be negative right here. Sad face. A is going to be less than 0. So I cross out this, Let's change this one into negative 2. Okay, so we have 2 negative right here. What we do is we're going to plug in the a value, either C or D. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug C. So instead of a right here, I'm going to replace it with, let me put blue right there. Instead of a, we're going to replace it by negative 1. Everything else stay the same. X minus 2 squared plus 4. So I'm going to graph this equation and see if it matches our graph. Okay, I turn on the graph right here. And then I'm going to graph this equation. Since f of x is the same as y, I'm not going to graph y. I'm going to go ahead and enter everything on the right side of the y right there. So I start with negative, and then parenthesis, x minus 2, close parenthesis, to the power of 2, and then plus 4. And I'm going to compare that to the equation to the graph that they're given. So I have 0 and 4 as my x-intercept, and in the graph right here I also have 0 and 4, which means our answer is going to be C. Okay, and if you didn't see the same graph, then you continue to check for this one, and if you want to write that equation, it's going to be negative 2. I'm just replacing the a with any number that on the answer choice, x minus 2 squared and then plus 4. And then I graph this one to see if they're matching the graph. If not, then it's not the answer. Alright, this is a problem a lot of people forget how to do. So if you're still not sure, watch it carefully one more time, and in class you can ask me if you have any question. Okay, so first I found a vertex. H and K is how I label them. I change the x of the vertex, which is H, into the opposite, because in the equation it's the opposite sign. I plug everything back in for the H and the K. I determine happy face or sad face, so I can cross out some answer choices. And then I plug them back in for A. Replace the A with any number on the answer choices. And there you have it. You check if the graph matching or not. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.